They're released. Now Wally will pop his head up again. One of the things about the iVision, it will always find the tangent. If you're going to use a laser to try and gauge a radius, it needs to be at 90 degrees to that radius. So with a big diameter, because Wally's got two axes, it would come up just a little bit and it would rotate a lot. Now 90 degrees to that big diameter. If you're doing a small diameter, it'll come up farther and rotate less, so now it's at the 90 degrees of the small diameter. So he's going to come up and do one more correction. Now obviously the first roughly half of this can we've been using to get our correction data for the last bit. When it's done, it's actually going to turn around and correct the first half that was wrong. So if you're looking at it from this end or that end, you'll see it kind of looks like a little bit of an oval at this point. That's because the last part of that shell is the right radius, but the first part isn't. So now it's going to bring that back roll, the X roll up, and it'll fix that. We hope. Full disclosure, this is the first show we've shown it at, so we... Silent as can be. I mean, with electrics, there is no noise. The only noise we get occasionally, because this machine isn't lagged down, sometimes when we bring the rolls down, it makes this weird chattering noise, but on a machine that's lagged to the floor, there's no noise. See?